The Honda Jazz first sold in Europe in 2002, now exclusively comes with a hybrid engine. Along with a modern drivetrain technology, the latest model is also equipped with the most up-to-date safety equipment, including autonomous emergency braking and an all-new center-mounted airbag that protects driver and front passenger against injuries in far side crashes. With 5-star under its belt, the new Honda Jazz makes a worthy rival to the Corolla Yaris tested earlier this year.